Are you interested in advertising on Instagram through Facebook? Then, the good news is that Facebook ads can be shown on Instagram. You can reach a larger audience through both platforms. It can save you time and effort in creating separate ads. However, keep in mind that Instagram has a different audience from Facebook. Their interests and preferences may vary. So, adjust your ads accordingly to fit Instagram's atmosphere. Additionally, consider how your ad visuals will look on Instagram. Vertical or square formats tend to perform better than horizontal. Another thing to note is the different ad placements on Instagram. You can place ads on Instagram feeds, stories, and explore. Experiment with which placement works best for your ad. Also, think about the objectives you want to achieve. Is it brand awareness, consideration, or conversion? Instagram offers various ad options to fit each objective. Apart from that, Instagram has its advertising policies and guidelines to follow. Ensure that your ads comply with their rules to avoid getting rejected. Lastly, track and evaluate your ads' performance on both platforms. This can help you improve your ads and achieve your objectives. In summary, Facebook ads can appear on Instagram. Make sure to optimize your ads for Instagram's audience, visuals, placements, and objectives.